So now in short, we have understood what is environment. Whatever we see in our surroundings, school buildings, blackboards, chairs, tables, books, land, mountains, rivers, trees, birds, animals, etc., all part of environment. In fact, the places, people, things and nature that is surrounded any living organism is called environment. It means whatever we see and the places we see around us is our environment. So, environment is taken from a French word environnement. It means neighborhood. Now we will see the components of environment. The environment is not alone. It is made up of different parts. So we are going to see all the parts of the components of environment. Now the first one is natural environment, second human-made environment and human-made environment. Now what is natural environment? Land, water, air, plants, animals, birds, insects, fungi, bacteria, etc. are natural environment because it is present in the nature. Now what is human environment? These are individuals. It means each one of us, a family, a community, a religion which we follow, our educational system as we have talked about, economic system and political system, all are human environment because we make them for our convenience. Now next is human-made environment. What is it? These are made by the human. It means buildings, roads, bridges, industries, monuments, parks. Why human made this? It is for their enjoyment, for their living. So these are man-made or human-made environment. So all these components affect our life. They are parts of environment. Now in this diagram you can see the component of environment: natural environment, human-made or human and human-made. So these three parts we have already seen. Natural environment, it includes air, land, water and living things. And human in this individuals, family, community, religion, education, economic and political system. Human-made, we have seen buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments and industries. All are this component of environment. Now we will see the first one, natural environment. What is natural environment? So if we talk about the natural environment, it is present in the nature. So we can classify this into two categories: biotic, that is living components, and abiotic, non-living components. What is biotic? Biotic are plants, animals, birds, insects, fungi, bacteria, etc. All are living components. They are present in the nature. And abiotic, land, water, air. It means, so in the nature, living as well as non-living things also are present. Now, there are 4 domains of environment. Which are those? These are these 4 domains are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. We have already studied about these 4 domains of the environment in class 6th. Solid portion of the earth is lithosphere. Hydrosphere, area of water. Now atmosphere is in the form of gaseous layers that surrounds the earth, and biosphere is a land, water, air that is found together in the earth. Now this we can see through the diagram domains of the environment like hydrosphere, biosphere and lithosphere. Now let us talk about lithosphere. It means land, solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth on which we live. It means the outer cover of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. All these are lithosphere because it is irregular surface. Lithosphere provides us land, forests, grasslands, minerals, etc. So this lithosphere is very important part of the environment. Next is hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? The area covered by water is hydrosphere. It means all the water body which we see on the land is hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water like rivers, lakes, seas, glaciers, etc. And this is also present in the forms of ice, water and water vapor. It means the water is present on the earth in three forms: ice, water and water vapor. So this is also very important part of the environment. Next is atmosphere. Now the atmosphere is the thin layer that surrounds the earth. You can see here it's a circle around the earth which comprises of many gases. It is gravitational force of the earth that holds the atmosphere around it. So it also protects us from the harmful rays of the scorching heat of the sun. It means this layer is very important because if you have heard about the ozone layer, so what it does, it protects us from scorching heat. It means UV rays from the sun which falls on the earth, the ozone layer is the one who protects us from that. So it is also consists of numerous gases, that is oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So these gases also are important for the living beings, for the life. And this atmosphere also includes dust and water vapors. So this atmosphere which is surrounded by around the earth is very important. Next, biosphere. Now this biosphere, if we say someone can live in the ice, can he live? No. It needs a proper environment where he can live. So biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact. It means they are together with each other to support life. So for the life we need air also, we need water and we need land also, because without this a life cannot exist. So part of the earth where life exists is interaction of biosphere. It means land, water and air. Where it is present, the life exists.